We're about to be making some slime, so add your glue. I got it from Dollar Tree. Then you're gonna add some baking soda. Oh yeah, and it's sugar. Let's get it. Subscribe to my channel, baking soda. So we're gonna add some. I'll be right back. I already added, so I'm gonna mix it. Then I'm gonna put contact solution.
Mr. Litwack.
What's the trouble, sweetheart?
I'll be right back, guys. And then you're gonna mix it.
Oh boy, looks like the game's gone cuckoo. With my nana. Sorry, sweetie.
Sometimes I don't make noise and I'll just be like, but then I make a lot of noise. And if keep adding dots, I add
like my nana.
10. I don't know how much drops is that. 10. I add 10 drops because so it can like make it like come together, like get it and come together. And it still hadn't made slime.
Sweet mercy. Without Ralph, we knew they're gonna pull our plug.
So I just squeeze it if it doesn't come together.
Ralph probably fell asleep in the
Pull it out
washroom
all together.
See? There he is now.
Okay, so I'm just gonna mix it good. And it's coming
What's he saying,
together.
Felix? Stand by. My QBDs is a little rusty.
Why doesn't it come together? I'll be right back. So I already added.
That's gone turbo.
So I'm just mixing it. Now it's becoming hard. You guys wanna see? Yes? Okay. It's becoming hard, guys. I'll be right back. I'm back. It's kind of hard. I need to go get something. I'll be right back. So it's coming together, guys. It's coming hard.
Your imagination. Cupcake Surprise by Sunny Days Entertainment is a proud sponsor of Disney Channel. Each sold separately.
I'll be right back. It's time to mix it with my hands. Like kind of sticky. I need to open it. I'll be right. I'm done, guys. I'm gonna. Okay. I'm gonna mix it with. I already mixed it with my hands. I'm now gonna put it here. Oh, so sticky. It's not that sticky. It's like so slimy. I'll be right back. I'm back. Okay, and I'm gonna be adding sequins. I got it from Dollar Tree. I want the green one, so let me open it. I'll be right back. I already opened it, so let me add in the middle. I think that's like enough. So I'm just gonna go like stuff and put it away. So let me show you guys. There we go. I'm gonna spread them all over.
History will long revere your courage and sacrifice.
Oh, thank you.
You have etched in the rock of virtue a legacy beyond compare.
Oh my goody good.
You are the universe's greatest
My
hero.
slime.
Oh, yeah.
The living
My
embodiment
slime.
of all this core represents.
My slime.
Integrity.
Comment down below if I should make slime again, and I'll be right back. I just feel like putting more, guys. More. Right, guys? Ooh, that's a lot. I'm gonna have to put it. Okay. That's okay. Okay, that's okay. I'll be like, that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Yeah, that's enough. And put it somewhere so it could like not be that like sticky hard. Guys, I did not add as you guys can see, I really added. You guys could get your glue stuff at your slime stuff at Dollar Tree, so go down below down. And yeah, guys, so this was it for my video. Bye, guys, and I hope you guys like this video with my slime. slime. And comment down below if I should make slime a lot, like more times. So bye guys. I don't know when this is gonna end, but if it ends, bye. But there's something. Gosh, shitty, gosh. Oh my.
No.
This looks beautiful.
Whack-a-mole. I gotta get out of here.
This looks beautiful.
Oh no! My medal! What? Wait! No!